Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Dead by Daylight and you keep getting this error, you have disconnected from the server because of failure to validate the host's account through easy anti-cheat with error code 0, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error on Dead by Daylight easily. So first off, you're going to open up your file explorer, you're going to go to your Dead by Daylight's directory. So the default directory should be C, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Dead by Daylight, and here you should have a folder called Easy Anti-Cheat. You're going to open it up, and in that folder you should have Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup. And here what you're going to do is you're going to right click on Easy Anti-Cheat, click create shortcut, and then right click on the shortcut, go into properties, go into compatibility. Here you need to make sure disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator are both ticked on. Then you're going to go into shortcut, go into target, and at the end of the target text you're going to put a space and you're going to write here install, and then put a space again, write prod-fn, and then click apply, OK, and then open this Easy Anti-Cheat shortcut up. And when you open it up, it will reinstall Easy Anti-Cheat on your computer, and then you should be able to play Dead by Daylight without that error. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.